Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good day, everyone, and I welcome you all to our physics class today. In today's class, we will explain the practical manual book for level 100 students of the Faculty of Basic Health Sciences and the Faculty of Science and Computing at Al-Istiqama University, Sumaila, Kano State. Now, the chapter 1 of the book is the introduction, and I'm going to read sentence by sentence and explain them. Okay, in the introduction, we have this very first sentence. It says, physics practicals play a crucial role in understanding and applying the theoretical concept. The theoretical concept you were taught in the class may not be fully understood until it's followed by a physics practical. If you go to the lab, you will conduct practical, and that practical you've conducted yourself under the guardianship of the lab technologies or the lecturer himself. Then you will fully understand the physics theories. Okay, they bridge the gap between theory and real life applications. In the class, you will be given theory, then in the lab, you will be given the practical to appreciate the theory. For example, in the class, the physics lecturer may use the formula F equals ma. Knowing the mass and acceleration of an object, you can multiply the mass by the acceleration to get the force acting on an object in the class, in a theory class. Then in a practical class, you can set up experiment to see how force, mass, and acceleration interact with each other in real life situation to fully appreciate the theory. Again, in a theory class, your lecturer may say, for example, that the length of a simple pendulum, the length is 40 centimeters. But it is in a practical class that you will be able to measure the length and find it as 40 centimeters or 30 centimeters to fully understand, to fully appreciate what the lecturer has actually said. Okay. Also, in a practical class, in a theory class, you will learn electromagnetic induction, for example. The theory of electromagnetic induction, the laws of electromagnetic induction, all of them in theory, and you will make so many calculations. But then you have to go to the lab to build a simple electric generator and see how mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy, because that is all about the application of electromagnetic induction. If you see this application in real life, then and only then you will fully appreciate the principles of electromagnetic induction. Okay, so this connection helps students to appreciate the applications of physics in fields like engineering, medicine, and environmental science. Then they say allowing students to explore fundamental principles through hands-on experiment. Of course, practicals provide a platform for exploration and discovery. Students can manipulate variables. When conducting practical, you can manipulate variables, observe outcomes, and draw conclusions, which fosters critical thinking and problem-solving skills. And that's all about the degree we are trying to pursue. Okay. For example, in an experiment to determine the acceleration due to gravity, students might use a pendulum and vary its length to observe how it affects the time period. Now, this hands-on activity reinforces the relationship between the length of the pendulum and its oscillation, as described by the formula T equals 2 pi square root of L upon G, all of them in the square root. So by varying the length, okay, you can now observe how the time period changes as you vary the length. So through such experiments, students not only verify theoretical prediction but also learn to handle uncertainties, analyze data, and interpret results. In the next video, we will talk about significance of a physics practical. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.